In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a powerful tool for creating mnemonics to help you memorize complex information quickly. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening up my notes where I have a specific persona prompt prepared. I want to tell the AI exactly how to behave, so I'm copying a request that asks it to act as my mnemonic creation assistant, focusing on vivid imagery, humor, and strong associations. I'll switch back to the ChatGPT interface and paste that into the message bar. As you can see, the AI acknowledges the role and even provides a helpful list of the different mnemonic styles it can generate, such as acrostic sentences, stories, and visual imagery. Now, let's put it to the test with a real-world example. I'll head back to my notes and copy a prompt to help students remember the 8 planets in order from the Sun. I'm asking for a variety of styles to see which one is the most memorable. I'll paste that into the chat box and hit send. Almost instantly, ChatGPT gives me 5 distinct versions. It provides a simple acronym, the classic, "My very energetic mother," sentence, a highly detailed story involving a messenger and a dancer, a rhyming version, and a humorous one about messy vampires eating jelly sandwiches. Next, let's try a mathematics example for the order of operations, or PEMDAS. I'll copy the prompt from my notes, asking for an acronym, a sentence, and a short story. Once I paste it in, ChatGPT breaks it down perfectly. It gives me the standard PEMDAS acronym, a fun sentence about playful elephants and apple snacks, and a creative story about a math teacher and a magical gate. It even explains the logic behind why these methods are so effective for memory retention during a test. For the final and most complex example, I'll copy a prompt designed for medical students to remember the 12 cranial nerves. This is a lot of information to memorize in order, so I'm asking for a vivid, story-based approach. I'll paste the prompt and watch as ChatGPT constructs an elaborate, weird museum tour. It links each nerve to a specific, memorable image like a nose-shaped perfume bottle for the olfactory nerve and a robotic eye controller for the oculomotor nerve. It concludes by explaining how this sequential journey and the use of absurd imagery make the information much easier to recall during an exam. Using these techniques, you can turn any difficult list of facts into an engaging mental map. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.